Good morning, students. Today I'm going to talk about something very interesting thing, and which seems to be a common issue, but sometimes because of unawareness, we tend to create some mistakes. So the topic is punctuation and use of capital letters. Now, it is very essential to know about pronunciation, about punctuation, and about its use, because failing which its interpretation can be wrong. Because if there are wrong punctuation marks, the interpretation it also tends to become wrong. Now, for example, I begin my talk by giving you one example. Boys do the work. This is a simple sentence. But if we say boys and we put comma after boys and say boys do the work, the meaning changes. In the first sentence, we are simply making a statement that boys do the work. But in the second statement, if we put comma after boys, it means we are giving instruction to boys to do the work. So punctuation has its own significance. The beginning is full stop. Now, if we begin any sentence, please remember, always use capital letter. And after every sentence, after full stop, if we write another sentence, the word should be in capital. So, in a nutshell, each sentence begins with a capital letter. Full stop is to be used at the end of assertive and imperative sentence. Following next sentence also begins with a capital letter. Then full stop is used at the end of abbreviation. For example, if I say BA, B full stop, A full stop. That is an abbreviation of Bachelor of Arts. On, then full stop, it means honorable. Full stop is also to be used at the end of initials. For example, doctor, dot, or we say full stop, S, full stop, Sharma. R, K, Pathak. R, full stop, K, full stop, Pathak. Another punctuation mark is sign of interrogation. Now, interrogation, which we call it question mark. Interrogation sign is used at the end of an interrogative sentence. That is, if the sentence is in question form, we always use question mark. Where were you going? Question mark. What are you doing? Question mark. Do you play hockey? Question mark. Is Ram your brother? Question mark. That is, by using question mark, we explain that we are asking a question, or in other words, this is an interrogative sentence. Third punctuation mark is comma. Now, this comma is used to denote pause, but the pause is comparatively shortest pause in the sentence. Full stop denotes the bigger pause, but comma denotes the shortest pause. For example, Ram, Sohan and Hari played cricket. Now Ram, then comma, Sohan and Hari played cricket. Gandhiji served his country honestly, truly and faithfully. Now there are three adjectives. So after honestly, we use it's an adverb, honestly, truly, and faithfully. So honestly, after this adverb we use comma, honestly, then truly and faithfully. If we are connecting the words with and, we need not use comma, otherwise we use comma. Comma is also used before or after the addressing words. Ram, comma, sit down, please. Stand up, comma, boys. So it is used before or after the addressing words. If the sentence is in case and apposition, then we use comma both sides. For example, Mahatma Gandhi, comma, the father of the nation, comma, was murdered. This is case in apposition. Milton, comma, the great English poet, comma, was blind. Comma is also used with words which come in its independent way. For example, indeed. Indeed, however, these words, after these words, we always use comma. To make it clear, Gandhiji was, comma, indeed, comma, a great leader. The result, comma, however, comma, went against us. In participle phrase also, we use comma. The cow, comma, having seen the lion, comma, ran away. So in participle phrase, comma is used before and after. In direct speech, above